Hi everyone, I'm Jemma. Today we will use simple ingredients eggs with some common vegetables, teach you how to make 4 dishes. Ingredients and recipe at the end. Two eggs and chopping scallions and salt. Mix well. Lay the oil flat at the bottom of the pot. Pour in the egg liquid and spread it evenly. After egg liquid is basically shaped, it starts to roll quickly. If it's too soft and too hard, it will cause damage. After the final part is finalized, continue to stir over. Press to make the egg liquid rip and compact as a whole. Cut it into small pieces of about 2 centimeters. Scaling remove fishing while adding an additional layer of flavor. To keep the structure soft and fluffy, golden in color, the secret is that the omelette is shaped and put out of the bowl immediately. Half tofu, cut into pieces. Cut vertically and then horizontally. Cut it into cubes. Two eggs. And tofu and salt. Mix evenly. After the bottom is shaped, turn the up layer to the bottom until all of them are cooked. It's done without flowing egg liquid. Eggs with tender tofu taste soft and delicate. Tofu is one of the foods with high protein in plant food, contains calcium and amino acids, and a variety of trace elements. This is the perfect dishes for children. Remove the seeds of green pepper. Cut it into pieces. Two eggs. Fried eggs. Stir-fry green peppers until they turn soft. And eggs. and starch water. The taste of green pepper and eggs is a perfect match. A little seasoning. No matter with any food, the taste will definitely surprise you. Two eggs. And water about 1.5 times the weight of the egg. Skim away the foam. Wrap the plastic wrap and pick a fill house to breathe. A spoonful of stem fish soy sauce or soy sauce. A very simple, convenient, and nutritious dish. You can also add jam and okra on the basis. Mushrooms, meat foam, or clams. Please give it a try. Share it and tag me. If you have any questions, leave a message in the comment. Follow my channel to watch a video at the first time. Thanks for subscribing and watching. See you soon!